Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mengabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ezizokulethela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje laphana-ke lisivele-ke umlungu-ke laphana-ke wenza-ke ividiyo-ke laphana-ke ngokwenziwe-ke iPrasa-ke laphana-ke izitimela-ke bekumele-ke zithuthe-ke abantu ababezoya-ke kwi-rally-ke e-MK-ke laphana-ke babe sebeshintsha-ke ngomzuzu wokugcina-ke laphana-ke bathi-ke ngeke besakwazi-ke ukuthutha-ke abantu-ke laphana-ke ikhampani-ke iPrasa-ke. Umlungu besenza-ke ividiyo-ke wabe-ke esekhuluma-ke laphana kwaveza-ke okunye-ke noma-ke indlela acabanga ngayo-ke yena-ke. Mina-ke kodwa ngifuna ukuthi uzwe ngaphandle nje dlala-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke uzwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina ngicela phana masizwele-ke le vidiyo lonke nema-comment section-ke futhi uvu lakho thina ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke udaba-ke lolu-ke bese wenza-ke okulungile-ke lapho-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole-ke nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke ngizoloku ngiza nazo nje ngifake lona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke le awuyithokozele.
Good morning. Prasa is canceling all the trains for MK party rally. You know, this is a sabotage. This is what Prasa doing is unacceptable. Prasa, I'm sorry. Here there is a political activity and you have no right to silence people unfairly. Thank you.